it would be necessary and constitutional to avoid this kind of repeat performance, that you be pleased to give an administrative direction without the idea of having to move the High Court when the suspect is within your precinct, that either the suspect be brought to court for plea or that the suspect be released until such time the police are prepared to charge them. We are in difficulty, and we know you are in difficulty, because you do not have a file, and you do not have a file because the police have refused to register that charge. So they are defeating the cause of justice and defeating the rights of the accused. So we plead that if you could consider administratively under Article 49 to issue the appropriate direction, either that the plea be taken or that this suspect be discharged on his own recognizance until they are ready to charge the Member of Parliament. I know it's unprecedented, but it's unprecedented because Article 49 remains unexamined, at least insofar as once a suspect is brought to court. I know that my learned colleagues are here. They will not be able to respond from the prosecution because their response only kicks in once the charge is registered. But as officers of the court, they should be able to also tell you how to help us uphold the law. That's our plea, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm hearing for the first time from my learned senior that there is a suspect that was expected to be brought. Your Honor, I act on instructions for the records, that is a police document. There is none as I speak before me, and therefore I find myself equally in an unprecedented position to deal with issues raised by my learned senior. What then I would propose is that he grants us the opportunity to liaise with the various agencies, find out what exactly is going on, and now come back with a more definitive, conclusive answer to those issues. Anything I say right now, Your Honor, will be speculative, and it may not add much value to the concerns raised. And I so pray.
What I'm hearing you say is that you're not sure or you're not aware of the presence of Mr.
Correct. I'm here to receive actually the entire police files for plea for today. Yeah, for plea for today. That will actually come.
The presence of Mr. Kajwang, you're not aware?
I'm not aware. I've not been briefed on that.
Your Honor, with your very kind permission, if I may assist.
Yes.
We have the testimony of 12 lawyers here. We've been at the basement from 8:30 with the Honorable T.J. Kajwang, who is not only a suspect, but a member of parliament and an advocate of the High Court. And when we came here in court at around 9, we made it quite clear to our colleagues that our colleague is being held at the basement and told us we are still preparing the charge. So that the fact of his physical presence in court is not an issue that is in doubt. And is a great concern because when he was arrested yesterday at 2, he's been taken in circles. We were at the DCI headquarters the whole of yesterday evening. We're denied permission to see him. He's being tortured for all practical purposes. He's not eaten, he's not had access to his family, he can't have access to his lawyers. I think this is a matter in which our colleagues in the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution must realize that the need to uphold the Constitution is much higher than the paperwork documentation that they're subjecting us to. What I suggest, as my learned senior has submitted, they can be given maybe 20 to 30 minutes so that we have a return time before you within which we can settle this matter.
Mr. Solomon?
Fair enough, Your Honor. I undertake myself to liaise with my seniors over this particular issue. But as I had pointed out earlier, Your Honor, I've not received any file for plea.
That's all right. I'll grant you 30 minutes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back in 30 minutes time.
Fair enough, Your Honor.
But we also get guidance.
We really appreciate that, Your Honor.
Most obliged.
Anyways,
Most obliged.
it's a plea.
Attention please. Kindly remain seated. The pleas for today are already in court. Honorable Cheruyot will be here in the next 5 to 7 minutes to take plea. So kindly do not go away if you came for plea. I have the other pleas to with me today.
Much obliged.
Doing this job is not for the faint-hearted. It takes dedication, courage, and strength. We endure all kinds of challenges.
Hiyo ndio sababu mimi natoa shukrani kwenu kabisa.
Doing this job is not for the faint-hearted. It takes dedication, courage, and strength. We endure all kinds of challenges.
Hiyo ndio sababu mimi natoa shukrani kwenu kabisa.
Doing this job is not for the faint-hearted. It takes dedication, courage, and strength. We endure all kinds of challenges.
Hiyo ndio sababu mimi natoa shukrani kwenu kabisa.